Well, awesome, man. Let's start with, and we can kind of document this whole thing. Today will be day one.
Okay.
So today I'm going to kind of get to know your business. I've already got access to Facebook, a Google Business Profile. I'm going to get you signed in with our CRM software. That's where all the leads will come in, and that's where we can automate email sequences, text sequences, all that kind of stuff, so that we're pushing everybody toward booking. And I
Okay.
can explain it more like as we do it. But today, this is going to be kind of like a day one, like where you are right now, and then that way we can compare it in, a month, 2 months, 3 months on, the actual scale and growth of where you get to. Um,
Gotcha.
so so tell me how, I guess, how long you've been detailing. Where do you base? Oh, you're based out of, go ahead and say it just for the recording.
I'm based out in Huntsville and Madison, Alabama area. I've been detailing since 2022, but 2025 is when I, decided to take it serious and actually look at it as a business and start building it as a business. Um, I went full time January of 2025, so it's been a year since I've
Okay.
been full time in the business. But yeah, I've been detailing since 2022.
Okay, sweet. So, and how's it been going so far?
So far it's been up and down. I had some good times here. Had some bad times. Learned a lot of lessons. Made some mistakes along the way. But still jumping through hurdles. And I'm praying that we finally found a good answer to what we've been missing. A good piece of what we've been missing. The marketing. When I've been trying to do marketing, it's been like up and down and around, and
Mhm.
just everywhere.
What's your monthly revenue at now, like roughly?
I say roughly 5,000. Yep, five
Okay.
thousand.
And then do you normally, what's your like normal services you offer? Like what percent of your jobs is just standard detailing or ceramic coatings or paint corrections or anything like that?
Yeah, mainly details, full details. And then I've been trying to get into more into paint corrections and ceramic coatings and everything, but it's just been mainly full details.
Okay. And what are your prices for like your details?
It starts at 250 for a sedan. Well, I'm sorry, 225 for a coupe, and then it goes up from there.
Okay. Wait. And have you ever ran, or I guess how are you getting customers right now?
Right now, I've been doing it more organically. So, posting in Facebook groups every day, posting content 3 times a day. Um, and then I have been running LSA ads. The LSA been helping as well. Um, and then I started back doing paper market, foot market, going door to door and everything like that. Because it was a little short time period in the business, like around Christmas and basically the beginning of this year. It had got a little rough, so I couldn't really run ads and everything. Bank accounts starting to get a little drained and stuff. And so I just had to go back to the basics.
Okay.
And so yeah, so far it's just really been, me doing the marketing and everything.
Okay. And then do you have a website?
Yep, got a website.
Okay. What's your URL?
One's auto detailing service.com.
All right. Sweet. Okay. Yeah. And you service all these areas?
Yep, yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I've actually only been to Huntsville a couple times. I'm down in Birmingham. Um,
Yeah, and it's crazy because I had just recently found that out. I was like, dang, I didn't even know he was in Birmingham.
yeah. Yeah, but there's not a ton of people in Alabama in the group. Um, but I know Huntsville's growing a lot.
Yeah, it most definitely is.
You from Huntsville?
Yes, sir. Yep, born and raised.
Nice. Okay, and then did you build this website?
No, it was actually built by the group that I was previously a part of.
Okay. Yeah, I mean it's pretty well set up. It's got a lot of information so that the um Google's algorithm can crawl it and it can rank. And we can help with that too. I mean, the SEO is fine, and it looks like we'll go through and do an SEO audit and make sure everything's good.
Okay.
But normally the website's the first thing. And I'm guessing you have a Google business profile?
Yep, yes, sir.
There we go. 104 Google reviews. Nice. Okay, yeah, we can definitely beat this up a little bit. And you're posting on it. Nice. Okay. Sweet. I mean, you're definitely doing more than a lot of detailers as far as Google Business Profile optimization. There's some more stuff we can add in here. Like if
Okay,
you look at mine, you see like that I have there's more forms you can
gotcha.
fill out to beef this part up.
Okay.
But you have the website on there. You can put a booking link in here as well. Products is
Yeah,
good.
that show what I was been trying to see how I could put a booking link on there. Oh, I gotta upgrade those. I mean, update those pricing on there too.
Yeah, I mean just having them is good too, because it helps you rank higher. Every little feature inside of Google Business Profile that you use helps you a
Mhm.
lot. Because as a general rule of thumb, if you if Google is going to put money into building out a feature, they want you to use it. So if you use it in general, they're going to reward you. The biggest thing is going to be reviews. You're already at over 100, so that's pretty good. But I mean, the more the merrier. We've
Exactly.
got over 200, I believe, yeah, on this one. So, I mean, the more reviews you get, the better. And then you're also right here on the top. I mean, I looked up your business, so you should be, but your structure for the SEO is working as well. Like it's broken down by city. So that's good. So sweet. All right, pretty good. That's pretty good start there. Normally we have to like do a bunch of work to the website and help with and like set up the Google Business Profile. So that's pretty good that you already got that set up. Um, Okay. And then, so you're just doing organic. The first step, do you have a customer list already? Like, do you use any kind of booking software or CRM or anything?
Yeah, I got you're able. I got a Go High Level account too. It was through Grow Your Detail when I was with Driven Elite.
Oh, Driven Elite. Is that Hudson Archer?
Yeah,
Okay. All right, sweet. How did that go?
yeah. It For the price, it really wasn't worth it. I'm gonna be honest. Like when before I joined, and I was like real hesitant to join, it's because like, and when I had that feeling, I should have knew it should have stayed true to it. But it's just like the information he was giving, it wasn't showing like him actually showing you he know how to grow a business. It's him saying, "Oh, hey, we help this company go from here to here," and then when you sign up, you find out that the whole time they really don't even help you go from here to here. You still got to figure out your own marketing. Like that's where a lot of my ups and downs came from because I paid 6,000 for a mentorship from them last July. Um, Mid August, I had to get with another marketing team to start running my marketing, and so that's when I started hitting 10 to 12,000 a month from September all the way up to November. But then with that company, I was with Rocket Detailer. They was all about money though. It just wasn't making sense. It's like y'all keep changing the pricing, and it seemed like y'all taking half of what I'm making, and all y'all doing is just running ads. So, I quit working with them. So then I went back to Hudson, and I'm like, you supposed to be my mentor. I'm like stuck. I don't know what to do. Like, so he was like, okay, I'm gonna put you in my marketing team. So I got with them, and they was running my marketing from November all the way up to January. And when I say I kid you not, no exaggeration, if you look on there, you will see how much money I wasted between November to January, and I did not close not one lead.
Damn. All
And
right.
so yeah, so it's like it's just been real shitty. But it's like on the back end, I've been watching you, and I've been like, I was like, I know that he different, and I could tell that because like from your YouTube videos, I first seen you on YouTube.
Hmm.
That's I found out you was in Birmingham from your YouTube videos.
Yeah.
So and then when I seen your pricing and stuff, I'm like, okay, the pricing is good, but I'm like, well, the point I'm at, I got to make sure I can handle it financially before I had jumped in. And then when I say you did the giveaway, I'm like, oh man, this can't be nobody but God. I gotta jump on
Yeah.
it.
Sweet, dude. Yeah, we'll get it set up. Um, all right. So we'll use your so first things first, we'll get go high level. You'll get a go high level account with us. I'll set that up
Okay,
after this call. You
okay,
can go in there. I'll set up your phone number and everything. Link in your Facebook, um, just like all the back end stuff.
yeah,
And then from there, our ad team will start making your creative. We'll start with you. You do ceramic coatings.
Not yet. I want to get into it. But I haven't started yet.
Okay. So just standard detailing. We'll run a standard detailing ad.
Okay.
Our bread and butter is ceramic coating. So
Okay.
they're way more profitable. Uh,
Got you.
obviously I mean they're $1,000 plus. So if you can sell a few of those, it's a lot easier to run ads for them because you have a lot more budget to work with.
Exactly.
So anyway, that's where we're gonna want to get in after the three
Okay.
months. Um,
Got you.
or within the 3 months. You want to get there as soon as possible. We can put up
Right. Yes,
a
sir.
standard detailing ad for you. It'll probably go up on Monday because we have to make the ad creative. It won't be done until maybe tomorrow or Friday, but we don't want to start a campaign on a weekend. Um,
Right.
we like to start them during a weekday, so we'll wait till Monday to start that. And
Got you.
it'll give you some time to kind of get ready. Um, the first thing we'll do before we run the ad though is we'll run a reactivation campaign. We do this for
Okay.
everybody. It's part of our new offer. Um, but basically we'll take your current uh, customer list
Hmm.
and we'll send out a campaign for them to book details, just a reactivation campaign. So it should
Okay.
be low-hanging fruit. How many people do you think you have on your list?
I think I got close to almost. I think I'm close to almost 400 contacts.
Okay, that should be plenty.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. I got
So
like close to.
we can craft up the reactivation campaign right now. We'll make it a standard detail.
Okay.
Normally, what we do is we can come up with any kind of name for it. Soon to be spring sale or whatever
Okay.
you want. Valentine's Day sale. Um, but it'll be a package that we craft up. It'll be around $450. So normally,
Got you.
what we do is full interior extra detail, clay bar. Do you do clay bar?
Yep. Yep.
clay, clay bar, and then some kind of sealant. So we upgrade the wax that's on the exterior of the vehicle to, some kind of sealant. You could pick it up
Uh-huh.
at any kind of detail shop or on Amazon, but just something that lasts a little bit longer, so it's more valuable. And then some kind of interior stain protectant. You just spray on the carpets and seats, and it just protects the inside better. So it's
Yeah.
more of a valuable detail because it's more protective. So we
Got you.
market at 450, and then we'll normally give everybody like 50% off or make it 250 or whatever, because the detail itself is not going to take that much longer than your standard detail.
Exactly.
We're just changing out a few of the products to make it a little bit more valuable. It's the same
Okay.
campaign we run for gift cards every year, um, is and gift cards and Black Friday, and they do awesome. Like we did 14, almost $15,000 in gift cards in December, and it was just with this one offer here. So
Man.
we know it works. Um, and that's normally what we do. So that's our reactivation campaign. Um,
Okay.
and we'll just call it, we'll call it, you can come up with a name or we just call it like your platinum detail or whatever. Um,
I've been saying signature lately. We can go with
signature.
signature detail. Yeah.
All right, can do that. And we'll build this campaign out as well. And we'll start
Okay.
this on Monday. So we'll just have everything set up to run on Monday.
Got you.
Give our team some time to set everything up. Um, but that should get some low-hanging fruit jobs in the door to start, get some cash through
Okay.
the door, and then we can use that to run ads, and everything else and scale it up. It's just you, right? Do you have any partners or anything?
Yeah, I got one employee.
Oh, one employee. Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
How long's he been with you?
He been with me since the beginning of September. Yep.
Okay. And he stays busy or?
Yeah, well, when I be trying to keep him busy when I can. Um but at first no, it was me. I had to get out that mindset of I got to be on every job and everything like that.
Hmm.
So for the longest it was me and him, but now yeah, I am keeping him busy. And like when I said I was doing the door hangers, so now while he's out detailing, I'll be in the neighborhood doing door hangers or something like that.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, sweet. And that'll be easy because then whenever we get busy enough, he can go out solo. You can start doing details solo, and then we'll hire another guy to take your spot. And that's just kind of
Exactly.
how it spread. That's how I, grew mine as well.
Yep.
Um,
And that's the plan I was aiming for too. Yep.
okay, sweet. All right, awesome. So got about 5K a month now. We're going to start running standard detailing campaigns until we do ceramic coatings. I would start, if I were you, I would start going on YouTube and just researching a lot of ceramic coatings and paint correction. Do you do any paint correction?
I've been I haven't did it on the client car yet, but I have been doing it on like personal vehicles and stuff like that. It's really just me just it's really just been me not knowing how to market it or whatever.
Hmm.
The paint correction. But I only been doing I would say really like just the polish, I guess you could say, because it's
Yeah.
just a one step. So yeah, I've been practicing on a lot of one steps.
Okay. Yeah. So the more, the better you get at ceramic or paint correction, the better. That's the more time consuming, more difficult part of ceramic coating.
Okay.
Because that's the part where you make the car look good, and then the ceramic coating just seals that look in. That part's really not
Right.
that hard to learn. Um,
Exactly.
the paint correction part is the more time consuming part, and it has more of a learning curve to it.
Right.
But okay, so 5K started detailing campaign on Monday, and we're gonna run that reactivation campaign on Monday. After this call, I'm gonna make your account for the CRM and everything.
Okay.
We'll hook all that up on the back end, and then everything should be good on your end. We'll just our ad team will start making the creative. We'll build out the campaigns probably this weekend, and then we'll have them scheduled to run on Monday. Um, everything that sound good?
Yes, sir. It sounds good to me.
Sweet. Awesome, man. I'm excited to do this and have you so close. You're definitely the closest client. We've had some in Georgia, Florida, Tennessee, but never one
Yeah.
in Alabama before. I'm gonna I'm gonna come up there sometime and just, we could like film a video up there and we could do
Okay.
some work up there and, just kind of actually connect in real life rather than a Zoom call.
Right, yeah, most definitely. Then I don't even mind coming to Birmingham because see, like I said, when I first had discovered you on YouTube, I was actually gonna reach out and see if you didn't mind like me coming up there just shop around you for the day and see how you operate your business and stuff when I had found out you was in Birmingham. But yeah, so I'm most definitely down for that.
Sweet, man. Well, awesome, Hywan. I'll keep you updated on this and I'll be texting you today as I'm setting things up and then
Okay.
we'll go from there.
All right, yes, sir. Appreciate you, Bruce.
No problem, man. Talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.